Hello, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. My name is Sayyida Fatma Rizvi and I bring for you people the very interesting and informative videos of physics. And after a very long time I'm bringing the video just because there are some of my personal problems. I want you all just to pray for me so that the one thing that you should pray for me that I should excel in my career, and I am so desperate about my career, and secondly, that I get the stamina to build up four more important videos for you people. So, and one more announcement is that if anyone wants to purchase my videos, just do comment below. I will contact that person or that person will contact me, and you have to pay me for that. The videos are not free, right? So these are the important interesting videos of physics which are really informative. So if anyone want to purchase, do contact me. Right, so we are dealing with the numericals. So right now we have started the dynamic numericals, and we are dealing with the numericals related to the equations of motion. So let's start. A car has a velocity of 10 meter per second square. It accelerates at 0.2 meter per second. So the rate of change of velocity of a body is called acceleration, which is 0.2 meter per second square for a half minute. Find the distance traveled during this time and the final velocity of the car. So initial velocity we have is 10 meter per second. Acceleration is 0.2 meter per second square. Time is half multiplied by 60. Always we take the time in seconds, which is half multiplied by 60, which is 30 seconds. Distance is equal to, we have to find it out, distance equal to question mark. So using the formula, which is the second equation of motion, S is equal to VIT plus half AT square. So putting the values, S is equal to VI is equal to 10, time is equal to VIT. Time, what is the time? Time is equal to 30 seconds plus half AT square. So A we have 0.2 and T we have 30. Taking the square of 30 we get 900. So S is equal to 300 plus half. Removing the decimal we get 2 divided by 10 multiplied by 900. The final form is 300 plus 90, which is 390 meter. Distance equal to 390 meters. Further solving by using the formula Vf is equal to Vi plus At, we find the final velocity of the car. So Vf is equal to Vi, which is equal to 10 plus At. A we have 0.2 multiplied by 30. Final form we get is Vs is equal to 10 plus 6 Vs is equal to 16 meter per second. So the distance we get is 390 meter, and the final velocity we get is equal to 16 meter per second. So these are the problems related to the equation of motions, which are very simple. Do practice them, right? And like, share, and subscribe to my channel and spread my videos worldwide. If anyone wants to purchase some videos, do contact me by commenting below, right? So I will see you people soon, and do remember me in your prayers that I should excel in my career, and yeah, I want to excel more and more in my career. Thank you so much.